How do you treat some of your rich customers that come to you? Many of the time we have been seeing many people because you live in a residential area. As a customer there, they are rich, they are notable. Many politicians that are there, and then some House of Representative member there, local commercial, they may be your area, or you have an army or navy person, your personnel are living in your area there, and then you now choose to be working for them humbly. You don't charge them at all. You do your thing free for them. You just you just not free because you are thinking they will help you in the long run, or give you they will check contact with you, and then you have the contact with their services. See, they don't really care about you. They don't really care about you. What they care about is yourself. All mankind is meant to be selfish. So if you have a rich neighbor, or you have a rich person in your locality that come to patronize you, don't overcharge that person, but don't give them for free. Don't overcharge them because they're sensitive. When you want to make on them, they will know. If a big man or a ship or a big man is in your environment and he come to patronize you, not only don't do business now, you are doing that form of business, and the person come to patronize you, don't have the attitude to make on them, to shit them, to increase price, to, you know what I mean? Don't do that, because they will sense it, because that person can still do it for them the same amount. So what he did now, do it the same amount you are doing for other persons. Don't think that you'll be doing it for them for free will make them to love you more, to like you more, to give you a bit more. Yes, it happens when you are loyal to them, but loyalty is not stupidity. I have seen some persons who are loyal to some big men in the environment, but they, at the day end, they lost everything. Nothing happened. When they have issues, big man not help them, because why? The big man don't even consider them as something that they are doing something for them. Big men always respect you when you do your business with diligence. The Bible say, have you seen a man who is diligent in his business? He will not sit with men, but will sit with princes and princes. You see, kings and princes will sit with him. If you are diligent with them, be diligent with them, collect money from their end. Yes, charge them, but don't overcharge them. The same way you charge Mr. A, charge them the same way. If your profit is 20 naira or 15 naira from Mr. A, let your profit also be 15 naira from them also. But don't do things freely for them, thinking that they will reward you in the long run. No, they will not reward you. They always reward what? They reward sincerity. Charge them. You have one big man in your environment that come to patronize you, the business or washing, and you just come to dinner, you are for free for her. Tomorrow, if I'm the home, and they will see you as a very stupid person. They will look at you very stupid. They will look at the person not just get sense. But when it comes to you charge him as you are charging other persons. Sir, okay, this thing is 1,000 naira. Tomorrow, when you come, this one also increase 2,000 naira. You can still give discount also, but don't charge them that you not charge him at all. Please, it will just damage your business. This tip is for the beginner running a business, and also those who are already in a business also, that are thinking that this person will just come and help me. I'm saving for the rainy day. Yes, you can still save for a rainy day if you are diligent with them. If you are be diligent with them. If you are business to them, you can be diligent for them also. Thank you.